everybody, my name is Sakshi Durai. I am studying in 7th standard in PM Shri KHPS Benchinmadi School. Today I am talking about Mysuru district, which come under Mysuru division of Karnataka. In Mysuru district 9 talukas: Mysuru, Hunsuru, Nanjangud, Hegdevankote, Piriyapatna, T. Narsipur, Saligram, Sargur, KR Nagara. Mysuru district, there rivers like Kabini, Kapila, Kaveri, Lakshman Tirtha, Suvarna Tirtha. Mysuru district major crops are paddy, maize, ragi, cotton, sugarcane. Mysuru district, there are so historical places, among them Mysuru Palace, Chikkagadiyara Jagamohan Palace, Brindavana Park, Chamundeshwari Temple, Chamundeshwari Hills, Mysuru Zoo. Mysuru district people speak in Kannada. Mysuru district famous engineer Sir M. Vishwesvaraya was built KRS Dam. Mysuru Pak and Mysuru Bajji are famous food in Mysuru. Mysuru sandal and Mysuru jasmine are famous in Mysuru. Mysuru district was established 1956 November 1. Thank you.